walk you through how to install the Bitmoji app on your handheld device, whether your tablet or your phone. So first you need to go into Play Store, and in the search panel you type in Bitmoji, and your Bitmoji app will look like this, and you select install. So we'll wait a little while for it to be installed and also downloaded. Alright, so now that it has been installed, we're going to select open, and it will bring us to a page looking like this, and we can decide whether we want to continue with Snapchat or if we want to sign up with an email. I might want to sign up with an email, so it will ask me for my birthday, so I'll put in my birthday. And continue, and then it will ask me for my email address. Alright, so we can select if we're a boy or a girl. I'm a girl, I'll select that and continue. And then it will ask me if I want to take a selfie. So it will prompt me to allow pictures and so on, and I will select. So don't mind my face here. Alright, so we have taken our selfie. That will help us to set up our Bitmoji much easier, because our Bitmoji is supposed to be something close to what we really look like. So it gives me this one, so we can always modify. So we're at skin tone. I'm pretty dark, I'm Jamaican, and so I might want to select a very dark picture like this, and then I can select my hairdo. Alright, this hair color. So you can go ahead and you can select what you really want. So now I am all good, and I want to select save avatar. Right, so now that we have created and saved our Bitmoji avatar, we can always add this as an extension to our laptops or our computers. on Google. So watch my next video so you can see how we can do that.